Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. A/B testing, also known as split testing, is a method for comparing two versions of a web page or app against each other to determine which one performs better. Visual editors are tools that allow you to create and modify user interfaces without extensive coding knowledge. However, using visual editors for A/B testing can present challenges, such as tracking, implementation, and analysis. This tutorial will address common problems and provide a code example to illustrate how to perform A/B testing effectively. Common problems with A/B testing using visual editors. 1. Tracking and measurement issues. Many visual editors do not provide built-in tracking for key performance indicators, KPIs, like conversion rates, click-through rates, etc. Solution: use analytics tools, example Google Analytics, mixpanel, to track user interactions. 2. Randomization. Ensuring that users are randomly assigned to control or variant groups can be challenging. Solution: use a backend randomization strategy rather than relying solely on the visual editor. 3. Version control. Managing multiple versions of your content can be cumbersome. Solution: use a systematic naming convention and versioning strategy. 4. Data analysis. After running your A/B test, analyzing the results can be complex, especially without statistical expertise. Solution: use statistical tools and libraries to analyze the data and determine significance. 5. Integration with other tools. Visual editors may not integrate seamlessly with other tools you use for marketing or analytics. Solution: ensure that the visual editor you choose has robust API support or integrations. A/B testing workflow. 1. Define objectives. Determine what you want to test, example button color, layout, copy, and what metrics you will track. 2. Create variants. Use the visual editor to create the control, A, and variant, B, versions. 3. Implement tracking. Add tracking code to monitor user interactions and conversions. 4. Randomize and serve. Use a backend solution to randomly assign users to either the control or variant. 5. Run the test. Allow the test to run for a predetermined period. 6. Analyze results. Use statistical methods to determine if there was a significant difference in performance. 7. Make decisions. Based on the results, decide whether to implement the winning variant. Code example. Let's create a simple example of an A/B test using JavaScript for randomization and Google Analytics for tracking. Step 1. HTML structure. First, create a basic HTML structure with 2 buttons. HTML. Doc type HTML. HTML lang equals n. Head. Meta charset equals UTF-8. Meta name equals viewport content equals width equals device width, initial scale equals 1.0. Title A/B testing example /title. Script src equals https://www.googletagmanager.com/tag/js, id equals ga_measurement_id/script. Script. Window.datalayer equals window.datalayer. Function tag, datalayer.push, arguments. Tag, JS, new date. Tag, config, ga_measurement_id. /script. /head. Body. divid equals button container. Button ID equals variant A style equals display, none, click me, A/button. Button ID equals variant B style equals display, none, click me, B/button. /div. Script. / randomly assign a user to either A or B. Const variant equals math.random, 0.5. A, B. / show the assigned variant. Document.getElement by ID, variant $variant. To lowercase, .style.display equals block. / track the button click. Document.getElement by ID, variant $variant. To lowercase, add event listener, click, function. Tag, event, button _ click. Event _ category, A/B testing. Event _ label, variant $variant. Alert, you clicked $variant. / script. / body. / HTML. Explanation. 1. Google Analytics integration. Replace GA_measurement_ID with your actual Google Analytics measurement ID to track events. 2. Randomization. The code randomly assigns a user to either variant A or variant B using math.random, and displays the corresponding button. 3. Event tracking. When the user clicks on the displayed button, an event is sent to Google Analytics to track the interaction. Step 2. Running the test. Host your HTML file on a server and share the link with users. Allow the test to run for a sufficient duration to collect data. Step 3. Analyze results. Log into Google Analytics and navigate to the Events section to view the button click data. Compare the performance of variant A and variant B based on user interactions. Conclusion. Using visual editors for A/B testing can simplify the process of creating variants, but it's essential to address potential issues such as tracking, randomization, and analysis. By integrating backend solutions and analytics tools, you can effectively conduct A/B tests and derive meaningful insights from your results. This workflow and code example should help you get started on implementing A/B testing in your projects.